Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a new feature available with Microsoft Office products. You will find this video useful to enhance your Office skills. Last year, I believe sometime in April 2020, Microsoft added stock images to their PowerPoint presentations. Now, the stock images is available in all Office 365 products. For example, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher. So all these products you can use stock images. In this stock image library, you can find thousands of copyright-free images that you can use to make professional-looking presentations. These images are copyright-free, royalty-free, so you can use them as you wish. Not only you can use stock images, you can also find thousands of icons, stickers, cutout people, illustration to build awesome looking presentations. Okay, let's get started. To insert stock images, I'm gonna new slide. I'm gonna go under insert picture and you will find the option called stock images. I'm gonna select stock images. Boom, there you find thousands of images. You can just choose an image, you can search image by categories, or you can even search for an image. So let's say I want a classroom. I can select multiple images and I can insert them all at once, or if I like just one picture, I can choose a picture and insert there the pictures in your presentation. You can use the designer to customize this picture like in a different layout. I'm going to talk about designer in one of my other slides. So on this tutorial, let's just focus on stock images. So okay, um, I inserted the image now. Let me show you how to insert an icon. So I'm going to go back, insert, picture, stock images. Okay, so images is one of the tabs. You can also have other tabs like icons. So icons been hanging around with PowerPoint for a long time, but now they insert a lot of new icons that you can use on your PowerPoint presentations. Cutout people are individuals, like so you can use for training or illustration. So if you're using, if you're building some animation videos, you can use cutout people. There are stickers that you can use on your presentation. There's also illustration, which I love. I love using illustrations on my training videos, my tutorials. So you can use the illustration. I can find something. Let me show you. So if I like this, insert. There, I have the image there. If I don't like the colors on the illustration, you can always customize it to your theme. So I'm gonna choose a different color. There you go. You can customize the illustration images like that. So yeah, this is so awesome. So if you go under insert pictures, stock images, there you can find thousands of copyright free, royalty free images that you can insert it into your PowerPoint presentation, and you can use it also outside your PowerPoint presentation. So as long as you have Office 365 account, which is free right now, which I'm using a browser version of Office 365, you can use these stock images. Hope you feel like you learned something new today and hope you enjoyed my video. If you'd like to learn more quick tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.